Hello, in front of me I've got FC26. In this video I'll show you how to use cross. In the beginning let's go to training center and go to passing. Here you can learn how to perform crosses. To perform cross, simply press and hold square button. The longer you hold it, the stronger and further the pass will be. Also, you can use detailed cross by pressing and holding R1 button. And also, you can use L1 and cross to use lopped cross. If you press square button twice, the cross will be low. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.